second graders. This video is to go over your grammar this week. We're looking at verbs for present, past, and future. And so you can see that we have some words that are in red. These are the verbs in the sentences. So let's just take a look at the first one. It says, Jeb invents new kinds of muffins. Is the word invents something in the present? Did it happen in the past? Or is it going to happen in the future? While it says invents, so we know that that's not something that happened in the past because usually those words end in ed. And it isn't something in the future, so it must be something that happened in the present. Jeb invents. It's something that he's doing right now. So I'm just going to make a note and write present on the side. It happened in the present. That means it happened right now. Let's look at the next one. Today, he sprinkles in coconut. Is that something that happened in the present? Like right now, he sprinkles? Or is it something that happened in the past? No, probably not because it doesn't end in ed. And it's not in the future. It says he is doing it right now. It says today he sprinkles in coconut. So this verb would be in the present. Let's look at the next one. Yesterday, he added pineapple. Notice the word yesterday. That is not now in the present. Yesterday is in the past, and it's not in the future. So alongside here, I'm going to write past. Yesterday, he added pineapple. Okay, and it ends in an ed too. That's another good clue to look for. So the word yesterday and the ed. The next one says, next week, he will use squash. So next week, is next week right now? No. Is it in the past? No. Next week is in the future. And if you notice, and I'm just going to write future on the side here, it says will use. Now we would probably know that use is a verb. The word will is called a helping verb. It's helping the verb. And that's not something we need to really worry about right now, but we can tell by the words next week and will use that it's something that will happen in the future. And look at the last one. It gives us a really big clue. It says, in the future, I will make my own muffins. And that one pretty much tells you it's in the future. But there again, we have will make. So I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller so we can keep future next to it. And there we have it. And you can remember present means now. Okay? So if that helps you to remember, something that happens now is in the present. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Mrs. Nuremberg or I. And I hope you guys have a great week.